Lost in the walls of your shadow, covering the stonework of the old Van Gogh. All you saw and all you felt, just a movement of the mind within itself. And you found a to reach the stars, like the blind reaching for brain. Look at you, look at me, bright young things. Don't go to Amsterdam, Amsterdam. Falling stars flutter along, dark night alone. No one stays and no one will ever understand how it feels like home in a place you've never known. I could be in the crowd, now I'm nameless, in the Rijksmuseum, reading all your faces. But what I see is what I was always taught, just a movement of the mind within your thoughts. I wish that for Braille. Look at me, look at you.